Don't simply think that gaining weight is solely a result of not using up the calories we eat. You must understand the concept that weight gain can be environmentally or hormonally induced. The most cost-effective diet method I recommend is as follows. So, let's get started. First is understanding dieting correctly. When you think of dieting, you might instinctively think it's about losing weight, but it's actually not. The term diet originates from the Greek word for dietary treatment, or diet management, which means restoring health rather than losing weight. By restoring health, unnecessary weight naturally drops off. Understand that gaining weight no longer means living well, but results from consuming unnecessary excess energy that turns into fat and eventually chronic inflammation, known as obesity. Second diet, functional foods do not help you lose weight. I emphasize not to consume health foods related to diet and beauty, as they do not help in losing weight and can cause severe side effects like yo-yo effects. Next is stop following trendy diet plans. Low-carb, high-fat diets are still popular. It's clear that carbohydrates, proteins, and fats are the three essential nutrients, along with vitamins and minerals that sustain us. There was a time in the 1980s when fats were blamed for all diseases, but it was later confirmed that refined, processed carbohydrates like sugar are the real culprits. Excessively restricting certain essential nutrients can cause side effects, so maintaining a balanced diet is crucial. The real reason you gain weight. In developed countries like ours, people don't die from lack of nutrients, but from poor eating habits that lead to excess energy turning into unnecessary toxins and eventually fat. It's a misconception to think that simply because we eat, we gain weight. Toxins that can't exit the body accumulate dangerously, causing serious problems if they reach the heart or brain, leading to their storage as fat due to environmental hormones. Simple way to escape: carbohydrate addiction. Refined carbs like the rice cakes used in tteokbokki have become a beloved Korean food. You need to realize you're addicted to sugar. Humans naturally love sweetness, like fruits. To escape from processed sugars, you should know natural sweetness and gradually replace processed sweets with naturally sweet fruits, providing an effective and quick way out of sugar addiction. Try skipping breakfast. There's a popular notion that skipping breakfast can help. From noon to 8 p.m. is the time to eat. From 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. is for digesting what we ate, and from 4 a.m. to noon is for expelling toxins. If you start your day with processed foods like cereal and coffee, it disrupts the body's natural balance because it should be using energy for digestion and expulsion instead of introducing more food. Do you know the worst diet plans is created by marketing? The worst diet methods involve consuming only diet functional foods under the guise of health products. Instead of consuming such products, it would be better to focus on a banana, grape, or sweet potato diet, or even fasting. Humans can fast for up to 60 days without issues, but consuming chemical additives and concentrated extracts can damage the liver and kidneys, leading to quick yo-yo effects and chronic inflammation. A method to lose weight for free breathing exercises, specifically diaphragmatic breathing, don't cost anything and can be highly effective. Babies naturally breathe with their stomachs, which helps in proper organ function and reducing visceral fat. This type of breathing strengthens the core muscles and can be a form of meditation, helping relax the body and improve focus. Dieting is not just about losing weight. Dieting should be about restoring health, not just losing weight. This starts with eating real, unprocessed foods that are alive, like fruits and vegetables, which maintain natural enzymes and help expel toxins faster than they accumulate, thus aiding in natural healing. Do not start with exercise if you want to lose weight. Rather than exercising to lose weight, which can increase the need to consume calories, it's better to first eliminate foods that shouldn't be eaten and focus on recovery through proper nutrition. Exercise for weight loss is an outdated concept. Understanding that calories from processed foods are marketed for sales rather than health can shift your perspective on effective weight management. If you found this approach to understanding and managing your diet enlightening, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more valuable insights. Your engagement helps us provide more content like this and supports our mission to promote healthier, more sustainable lifestyle choices. Thank you for tuning in today. Remember, true health is not about losing weight quickly. It's about making informed, balanced choices that nourish your body and restore your well-being. For more tips and discussions on healthy living, keep watching and join our community. Until next time, embrace natural foods, practice mindful breathing, and transform your life one step at a time. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.